Welcome to my channel. Today we're playing Chicken Gun Morphs. If you go to the map, or how to find tall chicken in here, just click the maps, then pick Chalo House Zombie. Then after that, you'll get teleported. And you're in ship lock. After you're ship locked, then go to the zombies is here. The truck is in here, and I saw the arrow, and if you go straight up ahead next to the truck, you saw something there. It's quite a broken wall. If you go keep straight ahead, if you go to the abandoned building here, if you touch the building, if you get closer to the building, it said help me. The sign said help me. If you get closer to it, tall chicken will spawn. Look, it's so tall. Hello there, Hiya. Oh man, there's tall chicken. I'm cooked. Guys, I'm cooked. Hello there, zombies. Tall chicken's minions. Hello there, zombies. Tall chicken's minions. You're next, tall chicken. If you try to kill him, this will happen. He got killed. So, that's all. You got a badge. Then you got a badge. If you got a badge, you can morph. Let's go to return. If you go to the lobby, you can morph as tall chicken. Here. Click skins. If you scroll it, you see tall chicken. If you morph it, this will turn you. Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Oh wait, is that Den?